everyone, it's Alan Lepofsky here from Constellation Research. I'm on my way to Frankfurt, Germany for the Domino version 10 launch that's taking place at part of IBM Think. Now, of course, this means a lot to me for several reasons. Obviously, you know about my past in IBM Lotus land, so I have, a deep connection to seeing that this product is launched, but also, obviously, I have to cover this from an analyst perspective. Focus is going to be on the application development, sort of the business logic side of things, what sort of business applications can you build in sort of the rapid application or low-code, no-code environment. That's what we're going to be focused on. On Tuesday morning, I'm going to be giving a talk about the future of work and the trends that are happening, and then I'm going to be doing a panel interviewing 3 of IBM's large customers, talking to them about this release and what it means. So, look forward to seeing you either there or online. Follow the hashtag, I think it's Domino 2025. I don't know why it's not Domino 10, but hey, and I look forward to discussing all of this with you. Alan Lepofsky from Constellation Research. Bye.